tonight's practice standing in front of the mat, and we're going to start with a few sun salutation. So what we want to do is we really want to press our feet firmly into the mat, spread our toes a little, gently bend the knees, push the pelvic forward, relax your shoulders, and place your hands in front of your heart. Very good. Take a deep breath in through the nose, and as you exhale, just gently close your eyes. We're just going to stay here for a few breaths, calming down our mind, calming down our body before we start with our physical practice. As you inhale, fill your belly up with air, and gently exhale through your nose, releasing any tension or stress you might be experiencing. Very good. Scan your body from head to toe. How's your body feeling today? Is there any area of tension? Any pains? Any areas that might need more attention during this practice? And just completely relax. Breathing in and out through the nose. We're slowly going to get ready. Going to take a deep inhale. And exhale. And with our next inhale, we're going to raise our arms up to the ceiling, up to the roof. Take a gentle back bend. And exhale all the way down in a forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, straighten the back, look forward. And as we exhale, place our hands onto the mat, step back our left leg, lower down the left knee, and we're going to come on the tip of our fingers, and we're going to look up to the ceiling. Very good. And exhale, come into plank, stepping back the right leg, lower down the knees, the chest, and the chin down. Inhale, come up into cobra, roll back your shoulders, look up to the ceiling. And as you exhale, come into downward facing dog. Very good. Take an inhale, step your left feet between your hands, lower down the right knee, come on the tip of your fingers, and look up to the ceiling. Very good. Exhale, tuck your right toes, lift that right knee up, step forward, take an inhale, halfway lift, straighten the back, look forward, and exhale, come into a forward fold. If you need to, bend your knees here a little. Very good. Take an inhale, gently raise up, come up to standing, take a gentle back bend, raise your arms up, and exhale, placing your hands in front of your heart. Very good. That was the first round. We're going to do another one. Prepare yourself, take a deep breath in, and exhale. Very good. With our next inhale, we're going to raise our arms up, take a gentle back bend, and exhale all the way down. Very good. Inhale, halfway lift, and exhale, step back your right feet, lower down the right knee, come on the tip of your fingers, look up to the ceiling. Very good. Inhale, lift your right knee up, step back into plank, lower down the knees, the chest, and the chin down. Inhale, come up into cobra, and exhale, downward facing dog. Very good. Take a deep breath in, step your right feet between your hands, lower down the left knee, come on the tip of your fingers, look up to the ceiling, and exhale, lift your left knee up. We're going to step our left leg between our hands. Inhale, halfway lift, and exhale all the way down. Very good. Inhale, come up, raise your arms up to the ceiling, up to the roof, take a gentle back bend. And exhale, place your hands in front of your heart. Very good. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Okay, we're going to do a little bit faster. Take a deep breath in, raise your arms up, take a gentle back bend. And exhale all the way down. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, step both feet between, back, come into plank, lower down into chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Now we're going to stay in downward facing dog. I'm just going to stay here for 5 breaths. Very good. If you need to, you can bend your knees here a little. And if you want to, you can pedal your feet up and down to really open up your calf muscles, open up your hamstrings. You just look over to your navel. Stay here for 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to step both our feet between our hands. Take a inhale, and we're going to come up into a chair pose by bending the knees. And we're going to look over up to our hands, up to the ceiling and up to the roof, making sure that our pelvic is tipped a little bit forward. And you really want to bend into that knee. It's very good. Hold it here. Feel those legs getting stronger. For 3, Relax your shoulders. 2 and 1. Exhale, release your hands. Come into a forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, straighten the back. And exhale, step back your feet. Come into plank. Lower down into chaturanga. Very good. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Very good. Take a deep breath in. And step your right feet between your hands. Open up your left feet onto the side. And we're going to come into a warrior 1. Very good. Making sure that the right knee is bent. Our hands are touching and are facing up to the ceiling. Very high. Very good. Keep breathing here. For 3, 2, and 1. And we're slowly going to open up our hands to the side and we're going to come into a warrior 2, making sure that our heels are in one line. The right leg is still bent and we're going to look over to our right hand. Very good. Right middle finger. Bend a little bit deeper into that right knee. Hold it here. For 3. Very good. Hold it. 2 and 1. Now we're going to straighten the right leg. And we're going to come into a triangle pose by lifting a little bit forward. And we're going to open up our left hand to the side, to the ceiling. Very good. If you can, touch the mat, you touch the mat. Otherwise, maybe use a block or your ankle for support. Whatever feels good for you. We're going to hold it here. We're going to look over to our left hand. Hold it. For 3, 2, and 1. Come back into a warrior 2. Now we're going to open up to the side of our mat. Very good. Placing our hands onto our waist. Take a deep breath in. I'm going to come into Pasarita Padasana, and we're going to lower down our hands onto the mat. Take an inhale, straighten the back, look forward. And as you exhale, we're going to go all the way as low as you can. Try to place your forehead onto the floor. If you just can reach for your hands or maybe even the tip of your fingers, wherever you are, it's all good. Just go as low as you can. And we're going to stay here. Suck in the belly. Suck in the navel. Keep breathing. For 3, 2, and 1. And we're slowly going to place our hands onto our waist. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Again, take a deep breath in and slowly come up. Very good. Now we're going to open up to our left side. And we're going to come into a warrior 2. And we're going to look over to our left hand. Very good. Bend your left knee. And again, making sure that our heels are in one line. Looking over to our left middle finger. Keep breathing here. For 3. A little bit deeper in the left knee. 2. And 1. Very good. Now we're going to straighten the left knee. And we're going to come into a triangle pose. So I go a little bit forward. And as you exhale, we're going to place our left hand onto the mat. And we're going to look over to our right hand. Again, if you can place your hand under ankle or maybe even on the mat. If you need to use the block, feel free to do so. It's your practice. Very good. Keep breathing here. Looking over to your right hand. Really reach as high as you can with the right hand. Keep breathing. 3, 2, and 1. And we're slowly going to come up again into a warrior 2. Take a few breaths here. Hold it. For 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to open up again to the side of our mat. We're going to face forward. Take a deep breath in. Place your hands onto your waist. Look up to the ceiling. And as you exhale, we're going to keep our hands on our waist. We're going to lower down as far as we can. Really good. Opening up our hamstrings here. And again, if you can place your head onto the floor, try to do so. Otherwise, stay wherever you are. Everything is good. Keep breathing. Hold it for 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come all the way up. And now we're going to open up again to the right side into a warrior 2. Bend your right knee. And now we're slowly going to place both of our hands onto the mat, stepping our right feet back. Come into plank. Lower down into chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Look up to the ceiling. And exhale, downward facing dog. Now we can stay in downward facing dog, or otherwise you can come into a child pose. Take a rest here. Whatever feels good for you. You're going to stay here for 5 breaths. And if you are in downward facing dog, really press the hands into the mat and try to look over to your navel. Again, if you need to bend your knees in, feel free to do so. Hold it for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're slowly going to lower down our knees. And we're going to come sit on our sit bones. Very good. And we're going to do some back bending. So what we want to do is gently first place your sit bones onto the floor. Place the sole of the feet on the floor as well. And gently lay down on your back. Very good. We're going to do bridge pose. And here in this pose, you want to make sure that your hands can touch the heels. This is the alignment we want to have. Very good. Now with our next inhale, we're going to raise our hips up to the sky as high as we can. And we're going to try to interlock our hands underneath our back. Very good. And exhale. Very good. So take a deep breath in. And exhale. And with our next inhale, we're going to raise those hips up as high as we can. Pressing our feet firmly into the mat. And exhale all the way down. Very good. I'm going to do this a few more times. Inhale, go up. Really push those hips up as high as you can. Up, up, up. And lower down. And again, inhale, raise up. Up, up, up. And lower down. Now we're going to do it one more time. And then we're going to hold it. So inhale, raise your hips up. Press those feet into the mat. And just keep here. Hold it for 5. Push it up. 4. Pressing those feet firmly into the mat. 3. Feel those legs burn. 2. And 1. Slowly release. You can hug your knees into your chest. And gently rock from side to side. Very good. Just give your back a little massage. Your spine a massage. Give yourself that hug that you deserve. Very good. And we're slowly gonna rock to sitting. We're gonna place our legs in front of us, and we're gonna do some forward folding. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna place the sole of our left feet. We're gonna place it into our right thigh, opening up our hips a little. Really sit on your sit bones here. Very good. Take a deep breath in. Raise your arms up to the ceiling. And as you exhale, we're going to go as deep as you can. If you can reach for your calf muscles or maybe your ankles or your toe, just go as low as you can. Very good. Into your forward fold. Use your breath here. Take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, you go a little bit lower. If you need to, you can use a strap. Feel free to use a strap or a towel. Just go as low as you can, keeping your back straight. Hold it for 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Very good. Now we're gonna place our left leg back, and then we're gonna do the other side. We're placing the right sole of our feet into our left inner thigh. Very good. Open up your hip a little. Take a deep inhale. Raise your arms up to the ceiling. And as you exhale, you go all the way down. Again, if you reach for your calf muscles, your ankle, or your toes, wherever you are, it's all good. Just go as deep as you can. Use your breath to go deeper. Inhale. And as you exhale, you go deeper in that posture. Very good. Again, if you need to use a strap here, feel free to do so. Hold it for 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Very good. Now release your right leg. And then we're going to come into our final posture by coming onto our back. Spread your feet hip distance apart. Open the palm of your hands up to the ceiling. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, completely relax into Shavasana. Relaxing all your muscles. calming down your mind. Take as long as you need here.